Hello. In this session, we'll go to exercise 9.2. First mean, find the zeros of the following polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Understood? Now, what is given here? Question, try to understand first. Find the zeros of the following polynomials. Okay, now here one polynomial is given. First we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, we will get, according to this question, now you will get two zeros. Why we will get two zeros of this polynomial? Because highest power of x is 2. Okay, after doing this, then we will verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Okay, now this is polynomial given here. Highest power of x is 2. That means you will get two zeros, that you keep in your mind. Then, now here, last term, you know how to find the factors of this given expression. You already were studied in the previous classes. Now here last term is 8 is there. First what we will do, we will take like this, x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, what is the last term here? Minus 8. In rough column you should write down minus 8. Okay, now we have to split this number in such a way that product of these two numbers should be equal to this number. Sum of the two numbers should be equal to second term. Understood? Okay, this is very important. Now let us see what we'll take here. Just you think. 4 2s are, I will take here 4 2s are 8, but here minus is there. If I take minus 4 this side, minus into plus, it becomes minus 4 2s are 8. Product of these two terms, we are getting the last term. Sum of these two terms, we should get the middle term. Okay, then you see minus 4 plus, again this plus 2, no need to put plus 2 times. Okay, you can take this is equal to minus 4 plus 2. Both are opposite signs. What we should do? Should subtract first. 4 minus 2, write 2. Biggest number sign, what is here? Minus, keep minus sign. Okay, so we are getting middle term, that is minus 2. Understood? So how to take now here? X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 2x. Now first two terms you should make one group. Last two terms it becomes second group. Now what is common in this group? First group, what is common here? X is common. Take x outside the bracket. Inside the bracket you should write x minus 4. Okay. Now here what is common? 2 common, plus 2. Now directly, no need to think. We got here x minus 4. Directly you should take x minus 4. But once you have to check it, okay, 2 into x it become 2x, plus into minus it become minus, 2 4s are 8. Okay, then is equal to 0. Again here x minus 4, here also x minus 4. That is common. Should write one time x minus 4. This remaining x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x minus 4 is equal to 0. Make it separate. Then x plus 2 is equal to 0. minus 4 you should take to RHS side, it become plus 4. Plus 2 you should take to RHS side, it become minus 2. So therefore x is equal to 4 and minus 2. We got here two roots, two zeros, alpha and beta. Now next point, what we should do? Verification. So this I will rub it. Okay. Now here come to the point verification. Verification, you know that sum of zeros that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. You should remember. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. Okay. Now we got alpha and beta value here, that we should take here 4 and minus 2. LHS side, that is clear. Now what we should take a and b value, that is the very important. Now the given question, you see x square minus 2x minus 8. Now first we will take here x square minus 2x minus 8. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Is it okay? Now here a is equal to 1. The coefficient of x square, what is here? No number. That means the coefficient of x square is 1. That means here in the column a is equal to, we should take a 1. Here in a place, what is here? No number. That means we should take it as 1. B place, what is here? Minus 2. So you should take b is equal to minus 2. Then c is equal to, what is here? Minus 8. C is equal to minus 8. Understood? We got a, b, c value. Now come to this point here. Alpha plus beta is equal to, same formula you should copy, minus b by a. Alpha, what we got value here? 4. Beta minus 2. Directly we can take minus 2. Plus into minus, it become minus. So this is equal to, minus you keep as it is. B value, what is here? Minus 2. Write in bracket minus 2. Whole divided by a value 1. Okay. Now 4 minus 2, what is the answer? 2. Is equal to, minus into minus, it become plus. Plus 2 by 1. Okay. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 only. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now one point is clear, that is sum of zeros. Next point we will go to product of zeros. Okay. Come to the next point. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means, that is the formula. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is the formula. You should keep in your mind. Okay. Now already we got here a, b, c values. Now this step we no need to take that same equation here. No need. So directly we can take alpha value here. What we got? 4. Beta value minus 2 is equal to c value minus 8 divided by a value 1. Okay. Now multiply. 4 2s are 8. Minus is that, keep minus. Now RHS side, minus 8 by 1, that is equal to minus 8. Now we got same. LHS is equal to RHS. Verify. Now both sides we got equal. Okay. Thank you.